Good morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome, and for those of you who are not, welcome back. Today we are leaving Canmore, Alberta, and we are driving to Langley, BC. So our drive is about 9.5 hours non-stop, but we're stopping because how boring is it if we don't stop? So it is about 8 a.m. now, and we are hitting the road and getting an early-ish start to the day. So let's go. Hello, goats. Okay, so we have arrived at our first scheduled stop of the day. We've been stopping, you know, like along the way for little viewpoints and stuff, which this drive is great for that. There is always little like jut outs and lookout points where you can stop, but where do you want to go? This way? But for now we are at, and I don't know how to say it, Takakkaw Falls? Takakkaw?
Takakkaw?
Takakkaw in Yoho National Park. So we've done a stop in Yoho National Park and we're kind of driving around. And I gotta tell ya, it's gorgeous. Is it backing up?
Yep.
Holy crap. Look at this friggin' bus trying to make its way up this hill.
Backwards.
Where do I even go?
I don't know.
I honestly don't even know where to go. We are currently backing up the biggest hill ever. Oh my god, this is so scary. Oh, this is so scary.
We're okay. We're okay.
Yeah, there's a car like up behind me. Okay, yeah, don't come down the hill. You're making a grave mistake.
Okay, now try and go.
Okay. Holy crap. Okay, we made it to Revelstoke. So we still have 6 more hours, but girl be hangry, so what is that? There's a bug in my eye. So yeah, it's time for food, yo.
So, we are in a swarm of some type of fly. Pretty sure this type of swarm was mentioned in the Bible somewhere. It's all in my arm hair, in my face.
They're not locusts.
Like, look at this. Like, look at them landing just on me.
They're like in your arm hair.
Look at this. They're all in my arm hair. They're just everywhere.
So we went to Taco Club for lunch and it was actually really, really good. And the girl who was there, it's like, should I even be talking? The girl who was there said that they're like not gnats, but they're like gnats. And that there's just been thousands and thousands of them everywhere.
For 2 weeks.
For 2 weeks. Oh, there's one on my lens. Oh.
Look at them. Look at them on my pants.
They're flying everywhere. They're flying. Kill them.
They're everywhere. Oh my god. They're all in my leg hair.
So Revy was a bit of a bust. Yeah, so.
They're infested.
Onward to Langley. And we made it. I am so exhausted. We left Canmore this morning at like 8:30 and it is about, what time is it now? It's about 9:25 now here. So that means that it's 10:25 there. But it was a beautiful drive for sure. And now we are here and we can get settled in and get ready for a day of exploring in Vancouver tomorrow. I just couldn't vlog anymore and I still can't. So I'm just gonna let you guys go now. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Definitely do it because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday and you don't wanna miss it. Next vlog, we will be exploring the city of Vancouver and surrounding area. Fun stuff. And that's it. I'm just gonna let you go. So until next time, stay great, travel safe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.